Hey, what's up, everybody? Listen, I'm finna go over you guys the 5 biggest mistakes that entrepreneurs make when they're trying to create multiple streams of income. The first one is they don't master one revenue stream. Remember, guys, you need that anchor. You need that main one to get straight first, and then from that point, then you can branch out and try to do other things. The second one is they underestimate the impact, the negative impact that each stream can have on the other ones, because you may be giving too much time, too much money, too much thought, or neglecting one stream, and it can negatively impact the other one because you're trying to grow all these different facets of business. Something is going to be affected by the other ones. Okay. The third one is you can't get caught up in the progression of what other entrepreneurs or other businesses are doing, especially people in your own industry. You can't get dejected or feeling concerned about what they're doing and what you're not doing. Fourth, guys, you got to remember, passive income isn't really just passive income. What I mean by that is that you're going to have to give some kind of time into certain things. Just because you're not actively participating in it every day, you're going to have to participate in it. And you can't really, underestimate the actual commitment you're going to have, especially if you want business to be successful. So don't get caught up thinking passive income is just something you don't have to deal with. The fifth one is you can't not underestimate how important it is to have systems in place. You have to have certain operations, management people to make an operation go. You see that in fast food chains all the way. They can change hands. A fast food or company can change hands, ownership every day of the week, but the system is still the system. That doesn't change. So you have to make sure you got proper systems in place. Again, those are 5 big mistakes people make when they're trying to create multiple streams of income. Don't take things lightly. Be successful. And for more great information just like that, go to Mr. Short Dollar on YouTube. See you there.